Medemove, keeping you on the move.
Here we will demonstrate how to measure the size and wear Medemove wrist support neoprene. The wrist support neoprene is available in universal size, which means one size fits all. Now let us see how to wear the Medemove wrist support neoprene. Unfasten the hook and loop closures. Now wrap the belt around the wrist firmly for a comfortable compression. Medemove wrist support neoprene can be worn for wrist sprain, sports injury, wrist tendonitis and ganglion cyst. Now let us see how to remove the Medemove wrist support neoprene. Simply unfasten the hook and loop closures, enabling easy removal.
We hope that you found this video helpful. For any queries, you can write to us at onlinesupport@medequip.co.in. For more information, log on to www.medequip.co.in.